Instagram camera black screen problem. Hello guys, so in this new short video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram black screen camera easily and fast. First thing, open the settings and go to the apps manager. After you open the apps manager right here, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is click on Instagram. If you didn't find it, you can search for it here in the search bar. And after that, you have now to click on this forward stop option and go to the notifications management. Make sure that all notifications are enabled. Go back, click on permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled again, and then go to the storage, click on clear data and click on delete. After that, go back and click on the power usage details. Now on this page, you have to make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled. And last thing you want to do is restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.